Here I would like to give you the subject overview. Now when I talk about the subject overview, see at the end of the year you have to take the exams, you have to write the exams. So what your paper is going to be? Your paper is basically divided in paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is a theory paper, it's a written exam. You have a paper of 3 hours, writing time 3 hours, and the marks allotted for paper 1 is 80 marks. Paper 2 is a project work. You have 20 marks allotted for the project. Here you got to do 2 projects to be completed. Your teachers will give you the project and you have to do at least 2 projects, right? This project will be internally assessed and the marks will be sent to the council. Then come to the paper 1, that is the written exam. Your paper is divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 carries 20 marks and this is compulsory. You have to answer 10 questions. There will be 10 questions given and you have to answer the 10 questions. Each question will carry 2 marks, right? Now this question is a short answer question. This question will be given to you from the chapter that is allotted for class 11, right? Then you have part 2. Part 2, the total marks allotted 60 marks. Here you have to answer 5 questions and 1 question will carry 12 marks. So 12 into 5 questions will give you 60. This is a choosing part. Here you have to attempt any 5 questions out of the 8 questions given to you. Written paper, that is 80 marks plus the project 20 marks will make up 100. That is the total marks of the subject accounts. It is the syllabus that you need to cover in class 11. Number 1, introduction to accounting. Here you will learn the meaning of accounting and how the accounting is done. What is the usefulness of accounting, the importance of accounting, right? Then you will learn about journal, ledger and trial balance. Journal, ledger, these are the books of accounts where the records are maintained. Number 3, we have bank reconciliation statement. We are talking about the business organization. Business organization do have bank accounts. At times there may be some differences in the amount shown by the bank statement, by a passbook, which may not tally. There may be some differences, and the reason for these differences can be found out by preparing bank reconciliation statement. You have depreciation. This depreciation is related to assets. Number 5, bills of exchange. Bills of exchange is an instrument, you can say, a document which proves that something has been bought on credit and money has to be paid, right? Accounting concepts, these are the thoughts, these are the ideas, these are the principles which are used in keeping accounts and generating financial information. Number 7 is final account and concepts of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now this is the statement which is prepared to find out the profit or loss of a business. Okay, maybe the financial position of the business, whether your business is growing, how much of profit your business is earning, whether your business has suffered loss. So to get all this kind of information, you will prepare final accounts, that is trading, profit and loss account or balance sheet. Rectification of errors. You know, to error is human. Accountings are kept by human being. So there may be some mistakes, right? So how to rectify those mistakes will be learned in this chapter number 8. Accounts for incomplete records. There are 2 ways of keeping records. One way will provide you detailed information Another method will not provide you detailed information. Non-trading organization. These are those organizations which are set up for not earning profit but for providing services. They also keep accounts. And how do they keep accounts? We'll learn here. Then lastly, you will have introduction to the use of computers in accounting. We know this is the era of technology. Uh, Technology is also used in accounting. We talk about tallies, right? So nowadays accounting is done with the help of computers. So the use of computers in accounting we learn in the chapter number 11. Thank you everyone.